So one of the things that you can do in Affinity is go ahead and generate out QR code as well. So for that, you can either be in vector or pixel mode, and then you can go around over here onto shapes, and here you can see that QR code tool is an option. Simply click and then you can go ahead and draw a QR code right here, just like this. Let me just delete the extra QR code that I made. So I can simply select this QR code, and over here on the top, this is actually a vector shape. So you can go ahead and change its color according to what you need right here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to make it blue. Then you can actually go around over here and then go around over here and choose the type of QR code right here. For example, you can make it a text. You can go ahead and make it a URL, phone, SMS, and so forth as you need. Let's say I'm going to say URL around over here, and you can see the default URL. You can simply go ahead and change it out into whatever you want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say this is for TutuTube right here. Then this is what you have. And as I made the change, you can see the QR code changed as well. And now you can go ahead and keep this vector shape wherever you want, just like with the shape. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the QR code tool inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.